All right, you guys, this is our last problem, number 5. For the shoes, Miss Sun sews together 3 pieces of fabric that are each 6.3 yards. She then finds out that the shoes were too big, and she had to cut off 1.25 yards. How much fabric did she use? So I want to look at this first with a visual. So she has 3 pieces of fabric that she's sewing together. And each of them are 6.3 yards. Okay, so we can say, what is 6.3 times 3 will give us the total length. Or we could add 6.3 times 6.3 times 6.3. We know we're multiplying the first one by tenths, so 3 times 3 is going to give me 9. And 3 times 6 is going to give me 18. And I multiplied by the tenth, so 18.9 yards total. Then she had to cut off 1.25 yards. Okay, so we're going to take our 18.9 and we need to slice off a bit. So that's subtraction. 1.25. And I know when I subtract with my decimals, I'm going to line up my decimal places, so I know I'm subtracting like numbers. I'm going to also add a 0 on here. I could add as many zeros as I wanted. I just need 1 to line up with that 5. So I'm going to change this 9/10 into 8/10 and make 10 hundredths here. So 10 hundredths minus 5 hundredths will give me 5 hundredths. 8/10 minus 2/10 will give me 6/10. Put my decimal place there to keep my place. And then 18 minus 1, or 8 ones minus 1 1 will give me 7. 110 minus 0 will give me 1. So I have 17.65 yards of fabric that she used. Remember, my question was, how many yards of fabric did she use? So 17.65 yards of fabric is what she used. All right, you guys, I hope this was helpful. Good job. Keep up the good work.